Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to clean your charging port Note 10 or Type C. You can clean your Type C, all Type C as well. So sometime when you use for charging, and sometimes charging, but after a few times is disconnect or not charging port cable not goes inside correctly or stuck there longer. Yeah, sometime when we let them charging automatically disconnect the phone from charging. Yeah, I think it's something is inside in the charging port. That's why it's not going inside correctly, charging but not correctly. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, we will use tweezers. This is very sharp and nice corners. Yeah, needles. Yeah, same like needle. And this needles you can use at home if you don't have a tweezer. Yeah, but use carefully, because if you do if you use same like this direction or corner side, then you will damage your pin charging port. Yeah, if you damage charging port, is hard to repair. Yeah, so carefully, very tricky, it's tricky. Yeah, carefully. Straight, use straight, don't use the corner side or something. When you put in there, use straight one. Oh, can you see something? Oh my god, mostly we are using this is for professional work. Yeah, it's cleaned very tidy. For safely as well. Oh, can you see? Is little bit something. Oh my god, another big. Yeah, can you see now? This all was inside. But carefully, don't rush, slowly put. Yeah, and after that clean with brush as well. Hopefully it's fine, don't need any more to clean. Let's see. Yeah, now charging port hold very nicely. Yeah, you can use this method for the any Samsung Type C, for iPhone Type C as well, iPad. Yeah, hopefully you like my video. Thanks, subscribe my channel. Hopefully see you in we'll meet you another new video. Thank you very much guys.